Picture this. You started a faceless YouTube channel in a niche barely anyone was talking about, and now it's making consistent income while you sleep. Sounds like luck, right? Not really. With AI trend forecasting, creators now can spot tomorrow's profitable niches long before they go viral. See, faceless content isn't just a workaround for camera shyness anymore. It's becoming an AI-powered business model. With new data and trend analysis tools, we can now predict which types of faceless channels are set to explode in 2026 and what kind of creators will profit most. We're diving into the AI-backed predictions for faceless content creation in 2026 and how you can ride the wave before it even forms. AI tools like exploding topics, glimpse, and predictive keyword models are showing a huge surge in content demand for these powerful categories. Let's start with one of the biggest AI-predicted micro-niches, Sustainable Living Simplified. In 2026, sustainability won't just be a good deed. It'll be a daily habit people want to optimize, just like tracking steps or calories. That's where faceless creators come in. These channels explain eco-friendly habits in a simple, visual, and data-driven way, using AI narration, motion graphics, and relatable everyday examples. Imagine faceless videos that decode the science behind how green tech will save your electricity bill, or smart homes that actually save money. But instead of vague advice, they use AI tools to personalize learning. For example, you could use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate quick explainers about how smart thermostats reduce energy waste. Then, use Canva's Magic Media or Runway ML to visualize real-time energy savings with animated charts and clean transitions. Even better, pair that with ElevenLabs or HeyGen for AI voiceovers that sound friendly and trustworthy. You don't need to be a sustainability expert. Your role is to turn complex eco data into easy visuals that make people say, "Oh, I can actually do that." Faceless creators here become digital storytellers, showing how small tech shifts can create big environmental impact. And here's where the real opportunity lies. Brands in the green tech space, such as solar startups, smart appliance makers, and EV charging companies, are actively seeking partnerships with educational content creators. If your faceless channel builds trust through clean visuals, consistent storytelling, and data-backed content, you can attract sponsors faster than traditional lifestyle channels. Because the audience here isn't looking for entertainment, they're looking for solutions that align with their values and save them money. That's the magic mix: education, emotion, and efficiency, all possible without ever showing your face. Next up is data-driven mental wellness, one of the fastest-growing faceless content niches for 2026. Audiences are no longer just scrolling for quick tips on stress or productivity. They want science-backed solutions, actionable insights that make a real difference. That's where faceless creators shine. You just need to translate data into relatable storytelling. Imagine videos like AI hacks to beat overthinking, digital detox experiments measured by data, or how your daily habits affect cortisol. Using AI-generated visuals, motion graphics, and soothing stock clips, these channels turn complex psychology and wellness research into digestible, visual-first content. And here is how AI tools come into picture. Generate scripts that explain stress, anxiety, or sleep optimization in simple conversational language using ChatGPT or Gemini. Create animations showing brain activity, sleep cycles, or productivity patterns using tools like Sora, Runway ML, or Kling 2.1. And for visuals like charts, flow diagrams, or daily habit trackers, Canva's Magic Media can be a really handy tool. A calm and trustworthy voice tone plays a vital role here, and that's where we can leverage text-to-speech tools like Murph, Speechify, or ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers. And it can be fine-tuned for perfect meditation-style content or guided routines. You can make highly personalized content without ever filming yourself. For instance, AI can pull trending mental wellness topics, design a storyboard, generate animations, and narrate, all faceless, all automated. If we look at the monetization angle, then sponsorships from meditation apps, AI wellness tools, and productivity platforms are welcoming wholeheartedly for creators making real impact. Affiliate programs for wellness gadgets, apps, or courses are gold mines. And of course, high retention means ad revenue grows faster than generic life advice videos. Let's explore another niche that's exploding because audiences now want to learn from learners, not experts. These faceless channels focus on teaching viewers how to leverage AI tools to save time, automate tasks, or optimize workflows. Think of videos like Automate Your Workday with AI Tools or Top AI Apps for Automated Marketing. ChatGPT or Gemini is there to assist you for generating step-by-step tutorials, scripts, or cheat sheets. Tools like Pika, Runway, or LTX Studio can turn your written guides into dynamic faceless videos with screen recording, motion graphics, and transitions. You can use beginner-friendly platforms such as Canva Magic Media and Ideogram for creating stunning infographics, visual overlays, and icon animations. Moreover, narrating faceless tutorials with professional AI voiceover in multiple tones has become extremely easy, all thanks to text-to-speech tools. This niche works perfectly faceless because the focus is the tool, not the person. Screenshots, flow animations, and virtual dashboards do all the explaining while you remain behind the scenes. High-value tutorials aren't just great content, they're business magnets. You can turn them into paid memberships, Patreon-style communities, or exclusive courses. And it doesn't stop there. You can stack affiliate commissions from AI tools and productivity apps. Plus, grab sponsorships from tech startups, SaaS brands, and online education platforms. The smarter your niche, the more income streams open up. And here's something I really want you to remember. AI is just the vessel you cook your ideas in, but the recipe, that's yours. Don't rely on AI to think for you. Use it to amplify you. Leverage it for efficiency, faster production, and creative experimentation. But keep your voice, your judgment, and your originality at the center. That's what separates the creators who last from the ones who fade when the algorithm shifts. If you can learn how to pair your curiosity with AI's prediction power, you won't just create faceless content, you'll build faceless brands. The next wave of creators won't be chasing trends, they'll be designing them. So ask yourself, when the year 2026 arrives, will you still be trying to catch up, or will others be trying to catch you?